Okay, so we got our legs, our feet, whatever you want to call it. We're making legs. These are feet, I guess. We got 4 of these, pretty much identical. They're up and down a little bit, so we're going to fix that pretty quickly. Quite easily, a bit loud on the head. Protect my ears somewhere. Oh well, can't find them. So, see how they're up. So overhang a little bit, like that. This one will come down. Sometimes you just gotta push, like that. Flat. Not flat. So yeah, I just give her a little persuasion. Like that. Go beyond, bring it back. Yep. That one I gotta give her a little bump, I think. She's a little off. That's what's hard on the handles. Yeah, that's good enough. Good enough. This one's pretty good. There. This one's not so good. Look at that. What a mess. So the middle one is out from the inside one is out from this one, and this one's out that way from this one. So we fix the inside first by doing this. There. So the inside's good, but now this one's that way, so we're going to bring this one back. That. There. Good. And the 2 pieces that act as brackets, basically, they stiffen up the legs. Actually, they're pretty good. That looks pretty good. This one's a little out. Bring that one back. There. That's good. So that's those 2 pieces. These 4 pieces. These 2 pieces, which are the top part. These legs go like this. Like that. This piece is for the top, for screwing into the wood. As you can see, like that. And that'll go there, like that. And then this piece, I gotta cut another little piece for here, and then this goes there, like that, for a bracket, and it will get screwed into the wood up here. Yeah, like that. So we need a little piece, about 4 inches. Alright, so we got our 4-inch pieces now, approximately. This piece is going to go in here, this piece is going to go here. So we're just going to tack this up first and go from there. Alright then, let's get some welding done. I'm not going to talk too much on this one. Let's just get her done, man. Let's just get her done. Kind of on a time crunch anyway. Customer is showing up a little early, I believe. And since I was stuck in the woods all night, couldn't get out, bald tires on my truck. Well, not bald, great tires, but they sure as heck didn't like that snow I was in. So we're going to put this together on a square point. I'm going to find a flat spot to simulate the ground. And then we need to put a square up the middle. Square line. I need a bigger square. So we're going to make a mark. Make a mark. We're going to bring that up. Get the idea of the line. It's not super critical as long as it's basically square off of this. So the beginning is square. That's good enough. We want 16-inch height, so we're going to measure that. Put this at 16, right there. That's where we want to be. Put a square line on that line. square. This will be in the middle of that. This is going to be down here. So we obviously need to cut them. So that'll go there. This is going to be here in the middle. Thusly. Oh, and that's going to be out like that. So that's going to be there. There-ish. Alright, see what I'm doing there? So now I know my height on these suckers. I want to cut this off right here. And right here. And I'll do the same with the other one. Oh. Don't get confused, Brazzle. That's a leg. That's not a leg, that's a... Hold on a minute. No. I did have it right. I did have it right. That's this bracket over here. The legs are a bigger scroll. The brackets are a smaller scroll. So yeah, I got that right. Those are legs. And these are legs. I guess we can just transfer them. Same thing. Just transfer it. Same with this one. I'm way behind on this. They're on the way, on the way. Gotta get it done. Alrighty. Those are cut. Can't find my glove. Oy, oy, oy. Brain's not working this morning, that's for sure. This goes there. This goes there. Get them even up top there. Flat at the edge. Divide by 2. Bring them in. Till it's touching. This one's out a little that way. Okay. That's there. Actually, it's a little bit that way. A little bit this way, I think. That goes there. I'll double check with that one. But we're going to put this one in first. Make sure it's square. You got to leave a little gap and fill it, whatever. Actually, that's going in. My line on top there. Tack, tack. Tack, tack. Square that way. Check that, it's not square. Gotta give it a little twist. So when you do 2 tacks, and then you're able to bump it a little. Like that. There. I want it to be flat. I want it to be cranking on the wood sideways. There. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now we'll tack this. There's that. Go ahead and weld these tops. The bottom one I leave clean but I will put a little weld on the bottom for strength.
Okay, so that's part of this leg done. Let's put that aside and we'll do the other one. Same as before, split the difference everywhere you can see. Make sure it's flat to the ground. Put this up here, get this close where you want it, about there. Gonna readjust the bottom a little, there. Okay, drop this in. I just eyeball it generally. I can pretty well see the middle of a bar. So I just bring that in. You can measure if you want. As long as it's square, it's going to work. It doesn't have to be particular numbers. The only real particular number I have is that it's 16 inches high. So, put this back in here. This one I kind of want to match it a little bit with this, so I need to know how far up. So I guess I lied. You do need a tape once in a while. It's 3 inches. Let's see, 3 inches. Yeah, pretty well in the middle of that. Not different. It's exactly where it was. That's there. That's there. This goes here. There. These will be good there. Double check this here. Yep, it's good. Okay. Check this out. Yep, same deal. Twist a little. More. There. So we're going to weld this one, same as the other. Okay, there's the other leg. And I think before I put that other bracket piece on, I'm going to clean this one up, because sometimes you put another piece on and it just gets in the way. So I can dress this up a little bit and then we'll weld that on. Okay, put the brackets on. We just put it like this. And this just gets tacked right here. Thusly. And we want it so that this is basically flat-ish with this. We can adjust this a lot because it's a bend, it can be unbent. Go beyond, bend it back. So we just go beyond, right? It's very simple. We'll just make this an inch higher and then we'll bring it down to where we want it. So we're just going to eyeball it.
right in the middle, where it sits more or less flat across this bar. We're gonna hold that there. I can visually see it's square, and at the same time it's very springy when this is on until it's attached to the wood. So lots of room for adjustment. Okay, so that's tacked there. What I want to do is I don't want to add any more ugly weld on top. You just want to put it on the bottom so you don't have to look at a weld. Gives you another opportunity to eyeball it for square. It's square here, it's not square up there. So we'll go ahead and weld it, and then we'll just crank it over a little bit. Okay, that's that. Basically, that's your bracket. That's how it'll sit on the piece of wood. And you can see that it's not sitting where it should be. It should be there, right? So the weld actually drew it down. No big deal. Go beyond. Bring it back. There you go. That's pretty much it. And then I'll drill a hole here. 2 holes. And that's just your adjuster. So I can see I got to go this way too. I'll do that in the vise. It'll just be easier. Clamp this and just crank it over. That's pretty much it. I'll just go ahead and knock the other one out though. For that. I'll dress it up, put the hole in it, but get the idea. There you go. Big heavy duty scrolly bracket thingy. It'll have a piece of pine, 2-inch thick pine. That's how you do it. It's 1 by 1/4 material, 7 or 8-inch scrolls, 16 inches high, heavy duty, very heavy duty. This is a lifetime build. Thanks for watching.